security personnel. Failure to present the necessary authorization will result in removal from the premises. Attention upon entering facility.
Please proceed through security for the security. I have a feeling you need decontamination.
Please proceed through the security
To access destination P445.
Please proceed through the security
Proceed through security immediately.
Malfunctions detected on all levels. Emergency Protocol 314 in effect. All personnel secure the gateway and prepare for jump. Malfunctions detected on all levels. Emergency Protocol 314 in effect. All personnel secure the gateway and prepare for jump. Malfunctions detected on all levels. Warning. Quarantine failsafe malfunction. Multiple alien life forms detected on ship.
Help! You gotta go that way! Please don't go there infected! Go that way!
Quarantine failsafe malfunction.
Go now!
Multiple alien life forms detected on ship. Warning. Quarantine failsafe malfunction.
You're going the wrong way! You're going the wrong way!
And it wants to get out. You have to help me. Please, you have to help me.
Reactor core. We need to initiate the self-destruct sequence. We can't let these bastards get to Earth.
Existing conditions. The road Is this a speed? Tissue must be excised. I will save this patient. Nurse, I need more bandages. This tissue must be tested and results must be categorized. Computer, access patient records.
lockdown procedures in effect. Breach detected. PlayStation lockdown procedures in effect. Breach detected. PlayStation lockdown procedures in effect. Breach detected. PlayStation lockdown procedures in effect.